Hi, this is Raymond from Tesla Offer. Today we will teach you how to install our massage module. So this is the kit you will get with the module itself and a wire. That's it. So the first thing, just try to plug this in. And the tool you need actually is just a Allen key and a T20. So let's try to use the T20 first. First we need to remove this cover. And there's a T20 screws here, so you need to fill it and then use the T20 to loose it. Yeah, so use a short one because there's limited space. So this is the screw. So we can, so this is the screw we talk about. So yeah, and then now we can just access here. This plug is the plug that we need to remove, and then you connect to here. And plug this back into here. So this is for the control of our module to simulate the command to the car. So we can just place this somewhere here. You can stick it or yeah, with double-sided tape. So here is where we put it. Just put it here. Yeah, here. You can stick it here. So then the next step is to run the wire to the back, and then we will get the power from there. So now we have run the wire to the back here. You can run the wire like this. There's plenty of place to hide it under the carpet. So yeah. So now we will do this by remove this cover. So use the Allen key, just pull it, and then this one will be out. So the next thing is to remove this cover. You can just try to pull it from here. Pull it, so this can be removed. So then you can run the wire to here, just from here to here. Let me try. Yeah, if you cannot get your hand into it, just use fishing tape to fish the wire up. Yeah, but for me I think it's fine. Okay, so now we can do this one. This one is the USB power. So you just remove this plug, you plug this in, and then plug back this to here, and then the installation will be completed. So now we just put the wire back in here, and then just put back the cover. And for this one, we just put this back. Okay, so that's basically the install, and then we'll show you how to test the system. So we have installed everything back, so now let's try to test the system. To activate it, you need to double click the down button here. But don't click it too fast, and then after it activates, you can hear 3 beep sound. So let's try. So now you hear 3 beep sound, that means it's activated. So the lumbar support starts to move now. So it will run for like 5 minutes for every cycle. So in case if you want to stop it manually, you just hold the down button for half second, and you can hear a beep, and then it will stop. So now it stopped. And there's one more setting you can set. Suppose you want to set the module to activate every like 30 minutes or every 1 hour or every 2 hours, you can set it. We have 3 settings. So you can set it to activate every 30 minutes, every 1 hour, every 2 hours, or not self-activating at all. So let's try to teach you how to do it. So right now the module is not activated. So you also try to hit the downward button, but you hold it. So you will first hear one beep. So here means that it activates every 30 minutes. This one is 1 hour, 2 hours, and this is deactivate the self-activating feature. Let's try to set it for every 1 hour. So I'll hear 2 beep and then release the button. So now I release it. So now the module will activate every 1 hour since you get on the car. It actually detect by detecting the power. When the car power is on, the timer is on. So it will try to count for every 1 hour, and then you will activate the module. And then it will run for 5 minutes, and then it stops. And then if the power continues to run, if it detects the car is still on, and then you will continue to time it until the next hour. So this is how it works, the self-activating feature. So this is basically the massage module. I hope you will like it. Thank you.